So here today, Black Friday, I'm here to chronicle the Play-Doh war.
In the beginning. I'm gonna win.
We've got Asa Mad Max Jones with the spatula. Asa, say hi. Asa, he's busy, y'all.
He's thinking.
Say hi, man. Say hi. Okay.
He did something else on my phone.
We got Hannah Banana Van. Stop, boy. Asa.
And Selena Queen. Dimple.
Yeah, Selena Dimple
Dimple
Queen.
Princess.
Felix.
No, I'm a queen.
No, you're a Dimple Princess.
And Killer Kaya, K-Bay, Van. So, I'm doing the chronicles for this epic battle because earlier we had
Send it to TikTok.
the pizza battle. This was Hannah Banana's
Grab that
pizza.
Play-Doh from him.
And that was Selena Dimple Queen Felix pizza. So
Shit throwing shots.
See, so
Mommy.
this is early Christmas present.
Mommy.
65 Play-Dohs.
Mommy. Mommy.
And we will commence this battle.
Now.
Excuse me,
Now.
everyone. I want to ask
Hold
a
on,
question.
Sarah, baby.
You can't ask a question. You gotta play, baby. It's the epic battle.
No,
It's the game time, and we are in it to win it.
No.
Now I might play a little bit. I don't know. 'Cause I gotta represent Sierra Cece Bad Johnson. That's not here. That's not here. But I'm not really good at stuff like this. But
Go on, mommy, Sarah.
we're gonna.
Go on, mommy. Go on, mommy.
Come on, Mad Max Jones.
So good.
Asa Mad Max Jones. Let's
I need
go.
a knife. Mommy, give me the knife.
That's not nice.
I'm the commentator.
Say, can I get the knife, please? No, you didn't.
I said,
I need the knife. Give me the knife. That's what you said.
I said, here's the knife.
Give me the knife.
Stop eating stuff.
The winner of this battle wins $5.
I want to get it.
You might as well give me $5.
Oh, we got, look at that confidence over there. That doggone Hannah Banana, let me tell you.
I want that one.
You gonna want the $5? You gotta earn it, and you got to win.
Yeah.
All right, she's
You
been
have to
rolling
have-
this for the past
You have to have good sportsmanship, you know.
20 minutes. I don't think she's in it.
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
Asa, you wanna do one?
I'm almost done.
You wanna do one?
I'm almost done.
No, you gotta be in it to win it. You're gonna have to keep going. Hannah Banana has got a game plan, and I don't know, but
But I will win.
Asa's over there dancing with the socks. Come on, baby. Bring the socks back. All right, don't bring the socks back. He threw them. All right, so this is going to be epic. You know what? I'm going to have to time y'all. That's how we do this. We're going to have to time it because y'all going to be here all day. You're still rolling over there, so you're not even getting no more.
It's not about speed.
Asa, come help your sister. It is about speed.
Go to mommy.
This is the Shauna Ramsey Play-Doh show.
Mother. Go to mama.
Come on, baby. Tell them to hurry up. We are back. It is the ultimate Play-Doh ice cream challenge. And who do we have up first?
Me.
Selena, Dimple Queen.
Wait, I got
Felix.
some ice cream and pizza.
Do you have a name for your piece over there?
I got.
That hamburger sort of looks good. She's getting some points for that. Let me see the hamburger. Okay.
I got a hamburger.
Hold on.
And chocolate
Hold on.
And a popsicle.
Pops is wow. It's
Popsicle.
elegant and it's unique with a red bun. And what can I see your ice cream sundae? That's what's in the competition right now.
All right, here's Selena's.
Oh, nice. Turn it around. Let the judge see it. Very nice. Come here. Hold on. We have Asa Mad Max Jones that wants to disrupt the game.
All right, next up.
Okay, next up we have Killer K and her famous ice cream
I guess I'm
sundae.
gonna call it.
Cone.
What was it? Dragon fruit. Dragon
Okay,
fruit
so
sundae.
we
Dragon
like
fruit
the
ice cream,
uh-huh.
caramel, and a
Okay.
cherry.
Oh snap! Look at that!
Can you see it?
Look at that!
I got some.
Okay.
I got some.
And then next,
Baby, you already went. It's
baby,
okay.
hold on. We have Hannah Banana ice cream sundae challenge. I need you to describe your piece, Hannah Banana. What is on the
I
bottom?
have chocolate on the inside and the
Okay.
interior with the ropes, the nerd ropes wrapped around. And then I have strawberry ice cream in the middle with cotton candy on top of the cherry.
Very nice. That cherry looks real. What's going on with that? On that in honor of Asa Mad Max Jones and CC Bad Johnson, the commentator made a little, you know.
And then this is my mom's.
I'm not in competition. I'm just representing for the two children that's not in it. Mommy's good, especially my mom.
What is, you gotta describe it now.
Oh, so I got some orange sherbet on the bottom. Then I got a pink sherbet next. And then I got a lavender, because it's very tranquil experience in the center. And then I got a nice glittery vanilla top.
It's a period. Elsa on top.
Okay, I mean, they all look good.
They all really do look good.
They all look good.
And I got some.
I'm gonna throw my vote in for the winner. Oh, the winner gets $5. Turn around, Kaya. This is gonna be tough, man. This is tough. All right, so we're gonna do 3 prizes. Lord, winner gets 5. Runner-up gets
Loser gets a high
$2.
Second runner-up gets $1. All right, so.
Sprinkles on it?
All right. So my vote.
Nope.
All right, my vote. I really like. This is hard, but I'm gonna tell you who won for me and why they won. I think they're all gorgeous, but for me, the winner is Hannah Banana because her cherry looks so damn real.
Yours is very neat. I like
But I mean, I love them all. I just like that cherry.
you did the little, with a cone included.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. And then she got the peppermint ice cream. I mean, it's gonna have to be Selena Fields for me.
I know. Selena won? I know. Now we need an unbiased. Asa's on the 10.
Asa, get down.
Who won?
And we have the boyfriend that's gonna.
We need to call Sierra.
Who did he vote for?
It looked like Hannah's is exotic.
Yeah.
No. We're gonna call Nice.
Hannah, I think Hannah got this.
Don't tell who's is who's.
I think Hannah got this.
I think I got it. Wait, mommy, hold mine so she doesn't know that it's mine.
Can't eat it?
No.
Selena, help him get down. That's why he's crying. He can't get down. Selena.
Okay, so
Hannah, help him get down. He can't get down.
So I won?
She didn't say it.
Put it down. Don't.
She didn't say who won yet. Don't squish. I like that, baby. I like
Hello? Okay, we're having an ice cream battle, and we need you to vote who you think is the best. I'm not gonna tell you whose, okay? Okay, so there's this one, this one, and then this one.
I like the second one.
Really?
Oh! We gotta have one more vote. Who did he vote for?
Me.
Oh, we gotta have one more vote.
This is Hannah's, that's Selena's, this is mine.
No.
Oh.
Selena's one's for
You gotta call Sierra. She's the deciding vote.
I don't know.
No, she's got a project boo. She's at home.
I'll see her.
Okay, hold on, I'm gonna call Sierra.
Alright.
Asa, let Asa vote.
No, he won't destroy it.
Nice at the middle.
Well, Asa can be the deciding vote.
I mean, it's cute. Yeah, they're all cute.
Yeah, this is hard.
If not,
Call Jaden.
Call Rayshawn.
Who?
He's at work.
Call Jaden. We got to have one more vote.
I don't have his number. Jaden's number.
We do have Jaden's number.
Asa,
Selena and me.
Get down.
See, pick up.
Hannah 2, Selena 1. Kaya 0.
We can call Aubrey.
I want
Call Aubrey.
Kaya 0.
Kaya.
Hold on, boy.
This is a family show, Kaya.
Hello? We're having an ice cream battle and we need you to vote, okay? Okay, so there's this one, this one, and then this one. Okay, so which one? The first one?
Hey! Asa gets the final vote. Hold Asa up.
Wait,
Here you Aubrey.
okay, thank you.
Asa gets the final vote. You gotta hold him up. Whichever one he goes to.
Wait, so you guys
Asa,
both,
oh, your ice cream's falling. Ice cream's falling.
you guys both.
Real ice cream. Not real ice cream.
On the table.
No, he gets to pick. Which one, my man? Which one, my man? Come on. He's okay. He picks Selena's. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, bye, my man. Bye. The destroyer of worlds. I'm Asa. I'm the destroyer of worlds. And that commences the 2021 Play-Doh Ice Cream Challenge.
Boom.
Who's it?
Hannah gets first, Selena gets second, Kai gets third. Yay! Asa, yay! Asa said, help me off the table.